Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer Dogecoin from your Tangem wallet to Uphold in 2025. With the latest updates making crypto transfer smoother, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and securely. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into Dogecoin, let's get started. First, make sure you have the Tangem wallet app installed and set up on your device. It's user-friendly and keeps your assets safe. Open the app and log in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Dogecoin holdings. That's usually under your wallet dashboard or assets section. Next, select the Send or Transfer option for your Dogecoin. This might be a button right on the asset page or in a menu. Now, here's a crucial step. Switch over to your Uphold app or website. Go to your Dogecoin wallet in Uphold and copy the deposit address. Double-check that it's for Dogecoin. It should start with a D or something similar to avoid any mistakes. Head back to Tangem wallet and paste that Uphold address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer, be precise, and remember to leave some for network fees if needed. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any transaction details. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction. Tangem might ask for additional verification, like a PIN or biometrics, for security. After that, your Dogecoin will be sent on the blockchain. Transaction times can vary based on network congestion, but in 2025, it's generally pretty fast. Finally, keep an eye on your Uphold account to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your Dogecoin should appear shortly. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that knowledge together.